Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, assured that the new unified PWD ID system will prevent the forgery of PWD IDs. DSWD Assistant Secretary and spokesperson Irene Dumlao explained that the department will now be central authority for issuing physical and digital IDs, replacing the previous manual process managed by local governments. Dumlao also expressed appreciation to President Marcos Jr.'s recognition of DSWD's efforts, especially during disasters. She emphasized that the new PWD ID, which includes RFID and a QR code, will be secure, ensuring that benefits reach the rightful individuals.
So sa pamamagitan po ng inisyatibo na to, iisang mukha na lang po yung pong person with disability ID. It's RFID enabled card. May QR code po yan, madali pong ma-verify through the system. So makakatiyak po tayo na hindi mapipeke, hindi makokopya, at hindi magagamit sa pagsasamantala yung pong ating person with disability ID.
Okay.
At makakatiyak tayo na yung pong mga benepisyo at pribilehiyo para sa mga person with disability ay sa kanila po maibibigay.
Okay.
This serves as an inspiration and a motivation for us to continue doing yung pong maagap at mapagkalingang serbisyo sa ating
Good.
mga kababayan nangangailangan.